All right, so this is the Chapter 3 test. So I'm just going to go through it and read it out loud. So the directions say, write the letter for the correct answer in the blank at the right of each question. So once again, with these tests, all you are doing is just going through and filling it out and then putting the correct answers into the Google form where it will actually be scored. So you have to submit your answers in that Google form. So number one is 8.3, 8 and 3/10 times 4.9, 4 and 9/10. Is it A, 40 and 67 hundredths, B, 45 and 5/10, C, 48 and 7/10, or D, 54 and 6/10? Okay, number two, 12.1 times 2.95. Is it A, 22.5, B, 24.2, C, 35.695, D, 39.3. Okay, number three, 60 divided by 2.5. A, 20, B, 26, C, 24, D, 29. 4, 32.5 divided by 10. Is it A, 10, B, 2.2, C, 3.25, D, 4.6? Okay, number 5. A cat can jump 5 times as high as it is tall. How high could a cat jump if it is 16.4 centimeters tall? Is it A, 8.2 centimeters, B, 82 centimeters, C, 820 centimeters, D, 8,200 centimeters? All right, number 6. The temperature in a city on a Monday was 78.3 degrees Fahrenheit. On Tuesday, the temperature was 87.1 degrees Fahrenheit. How much higher was the temperature on Tuesday? A, 8 degrees, B, 8.8 degrees, C, 9.2 degrees, D, 9.8 degrees. Number 7, 806 times 4. Is it A, 3,000, B, 3,300, C, 3,224, D, 925? Number 8. Callie has 1,012 beads. She wants to divide the beads evenly to make 22 necklaces. How many beads will be used for each necklace? A, 22 beads. B, 42 beads. C, 46 beads. D, 50 beads. Number 9. 357 divided by 3. Is it A, 115? B, 119, C, 105, D, 102. So that is the front. Now on the back, number 10, 38.7 divided by 4.5. Is it A, 0.86, B, 8.6, C, 86, D, 860. Okay, number 11, 604 divided by 4. Is it A, 151, B, 160, C, 302, D, 600? Number 12, Ling bought 22 boxes of crayons for $28.20. How much did she pay for each box of crayons? Round to the nearest cent. A, $1.28. B, $1.50. C, $1.65. D, $1.20. Number 13. Evaluate 255 divided by 15. Is it A, 15, B, 16, C, 12, D, 17? Number 14. Ryan has 782 beads. He wants to divide the beads evenly to make 34 bracelets. How many beads will be used for each bracelet? A, 20 beads. B, 23 beads. C, 26 beads. D, 34 beads. Number 15. A family travels 620 miles in 20 hours. What is the number of miles they can travel in 1 hour? A, 25 miles. B, 50 miles. C, 31 miles. D, 70 miles. Number 16. There are 632 students going on a school field trip. Each bus can carry 48 students. How many buses should the school reserve? A, 13. B, 15. C, 10. D, 14. And number 17. Nina's sister has 386 stickers that she wants to put in a book. Each page can hold 42 tickets. How many pages will she need? A, 10. B, 9. C, 5. D, 12. And that is the Chapter 3 test. So you will need to fill out the correct answers on the form in Google Classroom.